Okay, so now this we are testing live. I'm live right now, and I'm projecting this without me appearing on a virtual stage. Looking at the gameplay right now on Stranded Alien Dawn. As you can see, four survivors, and the four survivors. What's happening right now? The four survivors are trying to survive on this planet. And having said that, the planet is going through. Basically it's a paradise planet, and the planet is um, doing some interesting things. It has lots of different creatures. It's got lots of different vegetation. You can see it's more like I would call it the M. It's like an M class planet or something. I would say. So the gameplay is very challenging so far. We have made this. I've played this quite a number of times. So right now I'm gonna test the audio, see if the audio is actually working. So right now I'm listening. I'm gonna try to listen to the audio from another source while I'm talking. It does have a little bit of latency, so hopefully this audio is heard. Wow, the audio is really good. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to stand in front of the stage, and here I am. So this is me, and right now we're looking at the gameplay live on Stranded Alien Dawn, one of my favorite games at the moment. So I'm looking at the camera right here. Hi. So if you're watching this live, I'm Dr. Charles. I'm reviewing Stranded Alien Dawn, and it's one of my favorite survival simulation. And here you got four characters. What's happening right now? They're building. The player is building shelters for them. It's one of the first things you need to do when they land. They crash land. So a shelter has been built. They have sleeping places, temporary sleeping places, and additional shelters are being built to gather resources. So many of the survivors have different, I would say, different characters, different attitudes. So we'll be able to witness the growth of each character. The characters somehow develop but you do see how the character carry out their responsibilities and duties according to activity schedule, and the sequence of importance in terms of what they need to do first. So that's something that we can micromanage, or we don't have to 100% micromanage it. You can see them carrying out their duties, but we can still select them or draft them in for making them to do certain things. For example, attacking dangerous animals, insects, or things like that, or just get them to go to a certain location. Uh, you know, force them to do a certain task, which they are basically not doing. Yeah, or if they are idling, we can get them to do something. So this is a very interesting survival game where you get to see them carry out their duties without too much micromanagement, but you can partially micromanage some of the things that they are doing. So right now I'm testing this live, so it is interesting to see. I'm using a wireless head one mic for this. So just testing the audio quality for it. So far, from listening to myself from a different source, seem to have shown that yes, there is a very good audio quality for some reason. Now, okay, very good. So I'm pointing to the screen, pointing to these right here are the sleeping beds, and I could actually walk further, but I'm away from the field of view of the camera. So what I'm going to do is try to move the camera lens so I can get more field of view of myself. A little bit more, or move the position of the camera. Oh no, it doesn't work. Oh, not quite. I see the problem. So there's some things I really could adjust. Okay. Okay. So another idea of seeing interacting with the screen is if I have an iPad or something like this, then I could draw something, and you could see me drawing it, or you can see me directly impacting or affecting what's being shown or being projected on the screen. So there you go. Okay, so that concludes the test. This shows that we could do something, do a live presentation directly from this particular platform using the Cored AnySet system. So what I could do to also, so currently the stage area is wide enough. We could place a chair. We could still adjust the field of view, and looking forward to do some more testing on this. Thank you very much.